Found you, Sideburns man. I only killed their pals and your grandpa because they turned into zombies, dude. Nah. Go ahead and try, dumbass. What? I thought you were gonna cut me up. How about it? Damn it! To protect the life I've got now, I guess gotta put up with a nag and a brat. But I like it pretty good. Which is why I've gotta kick your ass, so Miss Makima will praise me. What? You think you've got me beat already? I ain't dead yet. Oh, come on, dude. Look, can we ban that move? Seriously? I can still fight. I've still got a chainsaw on my freaking head! You went right after my fucked up head. Thanks for that, you dipshit. Didn't that old geezer teach you? That beast shouldn't trust any damn thing. A hunter says to him.